Hello everyone, this is DarKalligraph. Recently I saw this YouTuber called Bam's Way who created this awesome glitch effect with his art. And since I am a calligraphy channel, well, sort of. Am I becoming an oil pastels channel? No, that can't be. Anyways, I decided I would try this glitch effect with calligraphy. This is yesterday's attempt. It looks alright, but I think it would work better with block letters. Let's try that. Start by sketching out two parallel lines. These will act as guides so that the letters are drawn straight. I have also drawn some vertical lines to keep the letter slant the same. Now use a pencil to sketch out the letters G, L, I, T, C, and finally H. You can probably guess what that spells. Make the letters into blocks. Once you're done, draw little rectangles that cut into the letters. See these rectangles? Shift everything inside them a little bit to the left. Erase the original. Let's do the same for the other rectangles, but this time shift everything right. Wow, it's already done. Delete this part of the eye and shift it into the middle of nowhere. Also delete the bottom of the eye and shift it slightly down. Now we can begin to do the inking. It actually took me around 10 minutes to find a suitable pen. You may be wondering, don't I have tons of calligraphy pens? Well, most of them are run out, but after some searching I found this Sharpie, which works perfectly. Use the Sharpie to color in all of the letters. You may be wondering how long it took me to color in all of the letters. Well, let's just say that it took long enough for me to forget how long. Let's speed it up a bit faster. Using the Sharpie, draw some horizontal lines that follow the pencil marks. Prepare a blue pen and a red pen. These two colors will form the basis of our glitch effect. Here are my two. This is the most fun part. Use the blue pen to completely recreate what you've done in black, but shifted just a little bit to the left. Repeat the same process with the red pen, but instead of to the left, to the right. So essentially you're drawing the entire thing again, but to the left and right. Like I said, this is the most fun part. You can already start to see the glitch effect now, but we're not quite done. Remember how we did the little black horizontal lines? Well, do that again, but with blue and red. You don't have to follow the black lines in any way. I'm just going to repeat the same process to write calligraphy below. And with that, the tutorial part of this video is finished. But don't go just yet, because I'm going to create something cool. Okay, we don't need this anymore. New piece of paper, and I'm going to be recreating my logo in a glitch style. I'm going to use a can of Coca-Cola to sketch out a little circle. This is literally the only thing I could find. I don't really drink a lot of soft drinks. I pretty much only drink water most of the time. Remember to stay hydrated, everyone. See, that's my logo. We're going to go through the same steps that we did in the first attempt. You're probably wondering where I got this logo from. What? You're not? Well, I'm gonna tell you anyways. Oh no, I've run out of paper. No worries. Just stick 2 pieces of paper together and continue. Okay, hang on, what was I talking about? Oh, that's right. So my logo was made by my friend. He actually has a YouTube channel called Arcconix, and I highly encourage you to check it out. Over there he does 3D modeling in Blender, which I must say is really cool. There will be a card in the top right and a link in the description if you're interested. And I would also be very grateful if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel, because these videos take pretty much an entire day to make. I really appreciate all of your support. Thank you. Time to add the red. Oh, it's already done. Thank you for watching. I'll be back with another video. This was DarKalligraph, with an actual calligraphy video for once.